Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, for today class, I'm gonna explain to you about chapter 1, introduction, about data visualization and also information reporting. So we go to our chapter outline. First is 1.1 overview of data, which is data, information, data processing cycle, what is big data, type of big data, characteristic of big data, and what is data science. And then we go through to 1.2, which is overview of data visualization, which is data visualization, why data visualization is important, and the function of data visualization, visualization today, pros and cons of data visualization, and also future of data visualization. So we go through lesson objective, which is we have three here, which is to understand the difference between data and information. What is data? What is information? And to be able to describe big data, its characteristic and sources. And the third one is to understand the concept of data visualization. Okay, first one, we go to data. What is data? Data is raw and unorganized fact that is required to be processed to make it meaningful. Contohnya, okay, kita baca lah kat sini kan. Contohnya, nama, Nabiha. Apa? Kita tak tahu nama tu untuk apa. Ataupun contohlah nombor 900. 900 tu apa? Dia just data. Kita tak tahu 900 tu apa. So dia adalah raw fact. Kalau kita bagi tahu information, kita akan go through balik, okay? Okay, next is data is representation of fact, concept and instruction in a formalized manner and is suitable for communication, interpreting or processing by human or electronic machine. And then data is represented by characters such as alphabet A to Z, huruf besar, A to Z kecil, digit 0 to 9. And then special characters. Contohnya yang ni lah. Okay. So, then, okay, maksud data ni, maksud yang macam saya cakap tadi sebelum ni adalah contoh, nombor 1. 1 is apa? Dia raw data. So, dia tak ada information apa-apa tentang data tu. So, dia adalah data. Raw data is raw. Maksudnya, dia tak ada apa-apa information berkenaan dengan data. Itulah contohnya dalam bentuk abjad macam nama siapa. Kita tak ada information selebihnya. Okay. Digit. Contoh berapa 900, 7, 1000. Dia tak ada maksud apa-apa. Manakala information, okay, we go through information. Information is organized or classified data that has gone through a process to make it meaningful according to given requirement and hence bring value to users. Contohnya macam nama siapa? Nama Nurul Nabiha binti Muhammad Samsul. Dia student ke, lecturer ke? Okay, contoh tu information. Okay. And then data 900. 900 tu apa? 900 tu bayaran bil untuk degree contoh kan. Tu information. Kalau 900 kosong je maksudnya dia adalah hanya raw data. And then characteristic of meaningful data is we go to ada 4, which is timely. Information should be available when required. A delay in obtaining information renders it useless. Okay. Kalau information tu delay, information renders, dia adalah useless. So, information mestilah accurate. Accuracy of the information has significant impact on the decision making. Possibilities of even slightest error should be minimized. And then completeness. Information should be complete. Incomplete information cause incorrect and unintended result. Comprehensive information which is incomprehensive is useless for the receiver. This is become a case of information failure as the sender sent the information but it was of no use to the receiver, thus is not considered as information. So that is comprehensive. Next, we go to data processing cycle. Consists of series of stages: input, processing, output, and storage. Carry out to extract information from raw data and can be in cyclic order. So this is data processing cycle. Data process information. So dia ada input, feedback, which is data input, process, output, information, and kat sini berlakunya storage data. Contohnya input, computer receive data and instruction as input, contoh text, audios, or image or videos, and then dia akan proses data tu contoh jadi use form. Okay, saya tunjuk. Okay, useful form. For example, calculation for paycheck for employees, time cards, summary of sale for the month calculated for sale order. Itulah. And then output. Output is the result of the process information based on users' need, which may be also input in the future. For example, paychecks for employees. Okay. So this is output. Bila kita dah ada input, kita proses output lah. Contoh output tu macam example kat sini, paychecks for employees. And then storage is the process data, information, output, and are stored for future use so that it can be quickly and easily accessed by users. And then they are kept in the best suitable format and is best available medium, secondary storage or cloud storage. Contohnya, kita boleh store dalam secondary storage ataupun dalam cloud storage. Okay. And then kita go through big data. Big data pula is extremely large data set, huge. Contohnya macam YouTube, game, Twitter, Facebook. Dalam tu ada banyak sangat data information of users, data apa yang dipost oleh post. Contoh kalau kita post status, gambar. So dia ada data set yang sangat besar dan kompleks. So, okay. It provides a semantic way to extract information, computationally analyze data to reveal patterns, trend, and association. So, big data ni contoh kat sini lah. You can see here. Okay. Game, berkenaan dengan data information, banking pun big data juga. Internet, ada big data information yang banyak. Okay, type of big data, kita ada social data. Social data tu contoh macam likes dalam Facebook ataupun tweet dalam Twitter, video upload contoh macam dalam YouTube, and general media uploaded and share via our favorite social media platform. Okay, this type of data provide invaluable insight into customer behavior and sentiment and can be enormously influential in marketing analytics. Sebab data kita ni bila kita dah post, dia macam ada satu algoritmnya, boleh katakan dia boleh track kita punya interest. Sebab tu lah bila kita buka Twitter ataupun Facebook, dia mesti keluar apa yang kita dah biasa buka, macam related tu apa yang kita buka, sebab dia simpan data kita tu. And then the public web is another good source of social data, and tools like Google Trends can be used to be good effect to increase the volume of big data. And then next type of big data is machine data. It defined as information which is generated by industrial equipment, sensors that installed in machinery, and even web logs which track user behavior. And this type of data is expected to grow exponentially as the Internet of Things grow even more pervasive and expand around the world. Sensors such as medical device, smart meters, road cameras, satellites, game, and the rapidly growing Internet of Things will deliver high velocity, volume, and variety of data in very near future. So, machine data ni contoh macam data dekat kamera kat jalan raya ataupun smart meter, satellite, dia ada simpan data, dan juga game yang macam besar contoh PUBG for example, dan juga internet of thing ni internet lah, yang kita search everyday. So, next is transactional data. Contohnya macam kita pay bills online ataupun kita beli barang online. Payment, receipt, okay, transaction data. E-commerce, for example, macam Shopee ataupun Lazada, dia ada huge big of data of barang-barang, data tentang barang-barang, data of things, and also data of the customer and also the sellers. And then this type of data are characterized as transactional data, yet data alone is almost meaningless. Okay. And then most organizations struggle to make sense of the data that they are generating and how it can be put to good use.